What do we got here?
We have Pink Revolution meets Yes Factor and Makes Love.
Wow.
Yeah.
How did it happen?
Yeah.
We have harmonic convergence. Yeah. We have the universe insisting, right, that this assembly occurs, and has allowed the facilitation to manifest all of us here together. We're the living proof that we are the ones that we've been waiting for. And what happens when we meet immediately, that it is so immediately that we can all feel this oneness, is the proof. And each one of us here is a witness to that. Well, what's going to happen is really actually already happening. The revolution is really individual and personal, like everything that we do. It's from the inside out, where we're all pink. And that's why it's like, yeah, to clarify, like, yeah, nobody has to claim or join pink. They just have to show up in their service.
They just got to say yes.
Yeah, exactly.
They just got to say yes to being pink on the inside.
So yes. Yes,
just letting it happen. Letting it happen.
Yeah, what do you, yeah, I mean, don't you guys feel when you have been introduced to the Pink Revolution that you were already there?
Yes.
You're already living it.
Absolutely. It's,
that's how you know.
In the words of Reverend Andrea, it's another example of many cars, one driver. You know?
This movement, right, is not like a spider, but very much like a starfish. There's not just one head of this movement. I'm not just the only leader here. Everyone in this room and beyond, everyone who decides to show up and participate and offer who and what they are, you know, is the leader of this movement, right? So that's why I don't fear having my head chopped off or killed or something like this, because it doesn't matter. This is going on with or without me. You know, I'm doing my part. You know, I'm doing the best that I can to answer this, which has allowed me to be in the company of such high vibrating individuals like yourself. Right? I feel like the hard work that I put in, you know, earned my friendship and kinship with someone like James, right, who is now facilitating, manifesting, you know, like this.
Networking.
Yes.
Yeah, he's networking.
Yes, so thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank all of you for taking the time to take the time.
Absolutely.
We love you. And we're going to love you all.
Here on the Yes Factor, we say thank you. We say yes. We love you. We want you. We need you. We are you. Join us.
Yes. Yeah, you are so very, very needed.